Hello guys, this is Ricardo with Elite HVAC, and in today's video we're going to take a look at our preventative maintenance service for air conditioning systems. We're going to take a look at exactly what a PM service is, who is a good fit for our PM services, and price. Very first thing that we like to do on a PM service is that together with you, we go to your thermostat and turn the equipment on. That way you see if the system's actually working or not before we do any work in your home. After that, we focus our attention to the indoor unit. At the indoor unit, we're going to be cleaning your blower wheel, we're going to be cleaning your drain, and we're going to be putting a fresh filter for you. And also, we're going to be testing safety switches and components to make sure that everything's working fine for you before the cooling system. At the outdoor unit, we like to do the same. We like to deep clean your condenser to make sure there's no dirt or debris in it. And we will also be taking a look at your components to make sure they're working perfectly fine and that you will not have any downtime during the cooling system. Now let's take a look at who might be a good fit for our preventative maintenance for air conditioning system. You might be a good fit if you recently bought a home and you have no idea of the service that the equipment had in the past. Then a PM service is right for you. That way you will know exactly what's going on with your system and you have a clean, fresh start. But if you're someone with a brand new home or with a brand new piece of equipment, then we recommend waiting 1 year to do the PM. Now let's talk about pricing. Our preventative maintenance service pricing starts around $650. For more information and details, please go to our website to learn more. And if you guys have any more questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on our social media to stay up to date.